We got young Michael in the building.
How's it going? I'm from Indianapolis originally, Portland most recently, and now Bali, where I'm in the world.
Let's go. So we were just chatting at lunch. Yeah, how long have you been in this part of the world, and how did you get started, and what motivated you to blast off here, and how's your story, man? How did you end up here?
So if I told you the whole story, it would take literally like 3 hours.
Yeah, what's the brief 5-minute version?
The super brief version is grew up in Indianapolis, moved to Portland a few years ago to go through a really important healing process between mind, body, soul, spirit, all of those things. Always wanted to go travel, see the world. Had been on my list since I was a child. Like, one of my favorite things as a young kid was like watching travel shows. Fell in love with Bourdain.
Dude, me too, dude.
I was like,
I've got idol.
Yeah, man, he is. When he died, I cried. I've never cried when a celebrity died. I don't know Anthony Bourdain personally, but I was just like hurt, crushed.
I know.
And so I was like, okay, it's time. If he can do it, I can do it. Everyone can do it. And I made the decision to just sell everything I own. I packed 2 bags, headed out in the world, started working on my mindset workshop, and somehow ended up in Bali when I was supposed to be in Spain.
Yeah.
That's all I know.
That's the gist of it. Heck yeah, dude. Question that came to mind, any tips on selling your stuff? Like apps to use, or Craigslist, or what were the tips?
Yeah, so selling my personal stuff.
How do you your personal stuff?
Yeah, the OfferUp is the most incredible app you will ever use in your life. Do not undersell the price. Let me tell you this right now. Do not undersell your products, whatever it is that you're trying to get rid of, because always negotiate. Always negotiate. You will get what you want if you hold firm. Someone is willing to pay you 90% of what it costs brand new. I'm telling you right now. So go do that. Facebook Marketplace, text friends, send an email to everyone you know. If you want it sold, start talking to strangers on the street. Have a garage. I had 3 garage sales, 3 weekends in a row. I put signs up all over my neighborhood. If you want to do this and you want to sell your stuff, you got to be serious.
Yes. Woo! That's so good. So many nuggets in there. Okay, so now your business that you're trying to grow. Tell us about your business, what you're working on, what your vision is for the future, and what do you do?
So I am a trauma life coach. So I help people who grew up like myself in a state of trauma who need to get their life back. I, at one point, was a drug addict, alcoholic, and 140 pounds overweight. I faced death multiple times. I was involved in some really bad things, from guns and drugs as a kid to transforming my life. And I'm happier and healthier than I've ever been. And I want to give people that same opportunity. So I started a concept called Think Unbroken, which is about taking people like myself and giving them the palatable tools to change their life.
Woo, let's go.
Yeah, man, that's what it's about.
So all right, where can people find you on Instagram or website if they want to?
Everything at Michael Unbroken.
Michael Unbroken.
Yep, exactly. MICHAEL, not the EAEL.
Okay, boom. Link in the description. You already know. Michael Unbroken.
Awesome, guys.
Started. Thanks, brother.
Thanks, bro.